Welcome. This is my new workbench. Over here, I got my old one. Some 2x4s and 3/8 OSB. Pretty wiggly. Did his job, but just too much give on it. Could have done a better job, but I got other plans for that. This, got some industrial pallet racking, 6,000 pound cross beams. A little much for what I really need it for, but it'll do its purpose. Went a little light on the OSB thickness, it's only 7/16. Wish I would have been thicker, but it's 9 feet across. So I had only 4x9 pieces I could find were some Norboard for walls. That was 4x9. It only came in 7/16. Picked up the scaffolding pallet racking for $100. Got another about $40–50 into the top board and all the OSB and whatnot. Should be a lot better to get that guy running a lot better. Got some cams in it. Got to do a lot more work to it.